Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: WhatsApp updated, device biometrics or secure screen lock set, and internet connected. Open WhatsApp and go to Settings, Account, Security or Passkeys immediately. Don't linger in menus. Tap Create Passkey and follow the on-screen prompt to register with your device authenticator. Once you approve the system prompt, WhatsApp stores the passkey tied to your biometric or PIN. This replaces passwords, so make sure you understand the local device fallback for recovery. Now you register the passkey. When WhatsApp requests permission, choose Add Passkey and select your device authenticator, Face ID, fingerprint, or PIN. You will see a system dialog. Authenticate firmly and allow WhatsApp to store the key. Make sure to give the passkey a clear name if prompted, because that helps when you manage keys across devices. Once done, WhatsApp shows confirmation. This key is cryptographic, so it prevents password theft and links authentication to your device for faster sign-ins. Finish by testing. Sign out or lock WhatsApp, then sign back in and choose Use Passkey. Authenticate with your biometrics to confirm seamless access. Make sure to enable encrypted backups carefully. Passkeys don't transfer unless you use Platform Cloud Keychain, so verify recovery options. If you encounter errors, check that device time is correct, update WhatsApp, and re-enable biometrics. If the passkey fails repeatedly, revoke it and recreate. This resets the cryptographic link and typically resolves mismatched keys.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.